Today guys, I show you how to verify integrity of game files on Steam. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do, just move here to library on your Steam, find your game like me, go right click on game and you will see properties, click on it. And you will see here installed files, click on it and you will see also here verify integrity of game files. Press this and wait for this. After that you will see all files successfully validated. And that's it all guys for this video, how to verify Steam integrity of game files fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.